Dear students, you are welcomed in history classes of Hera Public School. In this video, I will teach you about the First World War. This is belong to the class 9th chapter, the Russian Revolution. In this chapter, we will study the article 2nd, that is the impact of First World War on Russian autocracy and economy. First, we will discuss about the First World War. What was First World War? First, in 1914 to 1919, a great war was fought between European powers. Since each European, these are fought between groups, and each group has global empires, so this war is called as First World War. This event was first time took place in the history, so it was called First World War. Their groups were: number one, the Central Powers consist of Germany, Austria, Turkey, and Bulgaria, while other were Allied Powers. Main countries of Allied Power were France, Britain, Russia, and Italy, Romania, etc. This war was fought in Europe as well as out of Europe, so this war is called as First World War. This war had great impact on the Russian autocracy as well as the Russian economy. We will study about these in through our questions. So, what is First World War? During 1914 to 1919, a great war was fought between two powerful European groups. Since each country of the groups had global empire, so war was fought in outside of Europe. So this war is called the First World War. First World War. Groups consisting of the war were Allied Power and Central Powers. I will explain them in another question. Now we will discuss about the impact of First World War on Tsarist autocracy in Russia. The war was very popular in Russia and people supported Tsar, but Tsar refused to consult the political leaders, so his support decreased and people began hating the Tsar as well as the Germans since Queen Alexandra belonged to German nation, so people began hating also her as well as the defeat in war and poor advisors of Tsar called Rasputin also made the autocracy unpopular. Answer number 2. First point, initially people supported Tsar during war, but he refused to consult political leaders, so people gave up the support. Second, anti-German feelings increased and people began hating with German words and German origin of Tsarina Alexandra they changed name of capital Saint Petersburg, a German name as Petrograd. Defeats in First World War and poor advisors like Rasputin also made Tsarist autocracy unpopular in Russia. Third question, describe impact of the First World War on Russian industries, economy and daily life. The war had great impact on Russian industries, Russian economy and common people because Russia was least industrialized country and its generally import was related to Western European countries. So the German control all Baltic Sea cut the Russia from the European exporters and its industries began to stop fastly. Russian railway also began stop because railway lines began breaking. Similarly, the factories began to stop due to lack of spare parts and small workshop also began stopping because the able-bodied men were recruited in army, so there was great impact on Russian industries. Similarly, the grain was taken for the army, so there was shortage of foodstuff in the city, and during the war years, people began fighting for achieving grains, and food rights became common in Russia. तो इस तरीके से फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार की वजह से जो रसिया की इंडस्ट्रीज थी वो तेजी से बंद होने लगी, क्योंकि रसिया का जो इम्पोर्ट था वो वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज से था, और बाल्टिक सी पर जब कब्जा हो गया जर्मनी का तो उसके बाद रसिया का यूरोपियन कंट्रीज से कॉन्टैक्ट बंद हो गया और रसिया इंडस्ट्रीज तेजी से बंद होने लगी क्योंकि उनको स्पेयर पार्ट नहीं मिल पा रहे थे। और दूसरी तरफ रसियन रेलवे भी तेजी के साथ जो है ब्रेक होने लगी, तो इससे देश में बहुत दिक्कत आ गई, और जो छोटे छोटे वर्कशॉप जिनसे सप्लाई होती थी वहाँ पर भी काम करने वालों की कमी आ गई, क्योंकि जो तंदुरुस्त लंबे तरंगे मजदूर होते थे उनको आर्मी में भर्ती किया जाने लगा, और इसी के साथ साथ खाने पीने चीज़ें ही मार्केट से गायब होने लगी, क्योंकि आर्मी को खिलाने के लिए ग्रेन बाजार से खरीद लिया गया, तो इससे शहर के अंदर ग्रेन की शॉर्टेज हो गई और लोग अनाज और खाने पीने की चीज़ों के लिए आपस में दंगे करने लगे, और लड़ाई के दौरान ये चीज़ बहुत कॉमन हो गई और रसिया की इंडस्ट्रीज और डेली लाइफ पर बहुत बुरा असर पड़ा। नाउ आंसर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। आंसर 3, the war had a great impact on Russian industries, economy and daily life. The import from European countries declined due to German control on Baltic Sea. So Russian industries began stopping in lack of spare parts. Russian railways also began stopping due to breakage of railway lines. Able-bodied men were called for army, so there was shortage of labor force in workshops, small workshops. Last point, grain was collected from market to feed army, which led shortage of grain in cities. All of these deeply affected Russian people and autocracy. Now, question number last. Which countries were involved in First World War? There were two groups who were involved in the First World War during 1914 to 1919. Question number 4. name the countries involved in the First World War. Answer 4. The First World War was fought between two groups. Number 1, Central Powers consisted of Germany, Austria, Turkey and Bulgaria, etc. Second, Allied powers consisted of England, France, Russia and Italy, etc. This is end of our article second. We will next day, and please prepare all of this. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.